We'll be discussing about a dual lens camera where one stays put while the other one moves. Inside this package, there is one outdoor Wi-Fi pan or tilt camera, a mounting accessories kit, a power adapter, a waterproof kit, a quick installation guide, and an installation template. This dual-link camera can be mounted on the ceiling, wall, or on a pole. Now it's time to reveal what's inside. Here's the instructions on how to use this dual-link camera. Quick installation guide. Also this one. Here are the connector wires. This is also to the power supply unit for the Wi-Fi camera. But before that, we have to first remove the actual unit that has the two lens camera. Actually, it's connected. That's why I couldn't get this white wire ago. And here are the screws for installing this dual-link camera on a wall, ceiling, or pole.